Hey guys, Cody here from the video on ANC Outdoors. We're going to be checking out the beehive. So I'm going to head on up here and open it up, and I'm going to set my tripod on the beehive if I can. Alright guys, so we're up here at the beehive. I'm just setting a little feeder right here. So I'm just going to inspect a few frames. So we're going to go ahead and look at this one frame. See how they're doing on it. They don't seem to mind me too much right now. Really building out the comb on that. Not sure if you can tell, but they are really getting to work on it, which is good. We ain't had them that long, and they're already having them work like this now. That's great. Already got that comb started drawing out. Let me pick up this frame, see what's going on. Get off of me. They've already got eggs in here. All kinds of stuff. This is awesome. Already got that comb built out. Real nice. That's awesome. One thing about beekeeping, you don't need to be afraid of them. I mean, you're kind of like skittish of bees. This ain't the job for you. So I don't pay too much attention to them. I'm just doing a little inspection. I'm doing good. Building out that comb real nice. Looks like right here in this section is where they're really getting to work, so we'll go ahead and check that out. And if we're lucky, we might even see the queen. Wow, this frame is really heavy. Get up there. Already got eggs and everything. I see the queen. Wow, that was easy. I see the queen already on here. I can't bring the thing up there because you know I don't want to take a chance, but she is right here by my phone. I didn't think it was that easy to find her. They're already bringing out that comb real nice. I'm gonna try to get my eye. What the world? I see quite a few of them fanning their wings. Nice looking frame. Looking good. So I'll go ahead and scoop this back in there. Make sure they ain't building no more burr comb, because yep, they're building some right here, which, you know, I don't think is any benefit. So we'll just go ahead and scrape that off. We're already fanning the wings and everything. So we made sure that the queen is doing good. All the bees are working, expanding that comb out. So that's a good sign right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back together. That was me doing the bee inspection on the hive. I got one of these little tripods that hook onto pretty well anything. So yeah, comb's been being drawn out real nice and everything, and all that good stuff. Got plenty of food and everything. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Helps us out a lot. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you in the next video.